Buying major items like homes or vehicles could be a little more expensive in the United States because in just a few hours, the U.S. Federal Reserve is expected to raise interest rates again. 11 Alive's Dawn White has 3 things you need to know to protect your money.
It may soon cost more to borrow money for some of the things your family needs.
The market is expecting a quarter-point hike, which means that consumers will see interest rates go up by a quarter point.
Tax and finance expert Andrew Poulos says this could create even more of a crunch qualifying for a loan and raise the federal funds rate to the highest level since 2001.
Prime rate also will go up, which makes our debt as consumers, depending on the type of debt that we have, a little bit more expensive.
This is likely to raise interest rates on buying cars, homes, and using credit cards. Economist and Emory University finance professor Tom Smith says try to pay off your credit card balances now.
Try to nibble away at credit card debt little at a time. Look for the easiest target, so maybe a credit card that you have the least amount of balance on, and pay that off.
Explore transferring a balance from a high interest rate credit card to a 0% or low interest rate credit card, so you can cut the amount of interest down. In that way, every month.
The experts don't think the expected increase will have a huge impact on your ability to buy a car.
Car rates are also very, very high. These aren't directly attached to the federal funds rate, but they're strongly correlated.
If you're out car shopping and you need a car, I don't think a quarter point is going to make a big, significant difference in the monthly car payment.
Poulos says mortgage rates are already priced in for the expected rate hike, but
if you have a home equity line of credit, that is a revolving line of credit similar to credit card, you can expect for your home equity line to increase by a quarter point or higher.
This may not be the end. Poulos says the Fed may raise rates again in the fall. Dawn White, 11 Alive News.
So the expectation is a quarter of a point. The Federal Reserve is expected to announce that rate hike at 2 o'clock this afternoon. We'll keep you posted.